Hello there. There always seems to be something to talk about with the weather across the UK. We started the week with heavy rain, particularly in the far north and west. Then Wednesday brought the warmest day of the year so far, with temperatures peaking at 18 Celsius. A little bit fresher for Thursday, yes, but still highs of 12 or 13 degrees. That's above average for late February. All the warmth, however, has moved its way over to the near continent, and a change of wind direction, a fresher westerly, meant that fresher feel to Thursday's weather. But again, those temperatures are still pretty good for late February. It does, however, mean that clear skies by day will lead to clear skies through the night, so we are going to see quite a chilly start to our Friday morning. At dawn, the temperatures will be hovering around or just below freezing in a few places. The only exception, the far north and west. A weak weather front toppling across high pressure will introduce a little more in the way of cloud, but it's all going to be about this high over the next few days, keeping the story relatively quiet. So yes, we will pretty much have some sunshine from dawn to dusk across the country, with the exception the northwest of the Great Glen. Here a little bit more of a breeze and maybe a little more in the way of cloud. But in terms of the feel of things, pretty decent temperatures once again, 10 to 12 Celsius the high. Now, as we move out of Friday into the start of the weekend, the high pressure is going to firmly establish itself across the country. We'll have a weak weather front toppling across that high again in the far northwest. It will introduce more in the way of cloud and some light patchy rain across central and southern Scotland first thing in the morning, but a very weak affair. And either side of that frontal system to northwest Scotland and central and southern England, there'll be decent slices of sunshine to be found, and temperatures, well, 10 to 12 degrees in the north, 14 in the southeast. Maybe just that little bit cooler and disappointing where the cloud will linger. But the high stays with us for the second half of the weekend, and so again that means a relatively dry, settled story. But plenty of sunshine by day is going to lead to some clear nights, and if you're a gardener or grower, it's worth bearing in mind that we could see a return to some frost and some fog, which may well be slow to lift away. But there will be some dry, sunny weather in the forecast, not only for the weekend, but as you can see, for much of next week as well. Take care.